Magical makeup is on sale! Sorry, Fishy! I saw it first! I wonder what's new on my favorite channel! Yay! There's a video about a competition between Mermaid and Fairy waiting for me! There is something glittery in the water! It's a new blue eyeshadow just for the Princess of the Sea! Take an empty makeup palette. Cut a mermaid silhouette out of sparkly foam paper to fit the lid. Attach the foam paper to the mirror. Trace scales of a fishtail on shiny blue foam paper, making equal gaps in between. Cut them out with a modeling knife. Hot glue the scales to the front of the frame and attach the foam paper to the palette. Pour loose eyeshadow into the cells. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol and compact it with a silicone modeling tool. Put colorful glitter gels into the rest of the cells. Hot glue foam paper waves of 2 colors to the top of the palette. Decorate it with seashell-shaped sequins. Look at all these amazing colors! A whole sea of shades! It'll emphasize the depth of my eyes. And I'll reflect sunlight to show the way to ships. And Fairy is walking around a magical forest. What's there hiding in the grass? Spectacular flowers with bright pollen grow in this forest. Cut the bottom out of a silicone flower-shaped mold. Attach it to an empty powder compact. Put eyeshadow into the petals. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol and compact it down. Fill all the cells. Decorate the middle of the flower with drops of glittery hot glue. Cut a flower out of glitter paper to fit the mirror. Attach the flower frame to it. Apply white glue to the top of the powder compact. And sprinkle it with artificial grass. Fairies need sparkly pollen every day. That's why I'll hide my flower. Hey, tree! Keep an eye on my makeup and don't give it to anyone! The magical pollen wins! Fairy's eyeshadow wins her a point. The score is 1-0. Sunbathing is so nice! And what's this? Is it a mysterious box from a sea witch? Come on, open up! Is there a treasure in here? Ooh, it's a shimmery highlighter! Grate cocoa butter and melt it in a microwave. Mix it with crushed highlighter. Pour the mixture into a seashell mold. Mix every color of the highlighter in a separate container and fill different seashell molds. Put the highlighters into a freezer. Color a round pot with golden and blue acrylic paints. Attach a jewelry chain around the perimeter of the lid and glue on a coral as a decorative handle. Put in the hardened seashells. Let's apply some seashell glow. I'll even shine underwater. And now I'm getting a tan. What an amazing flower is growing in the magical forest. It's pink highlighter just for Fairy's skin. Microwave cocoa butter for 30 seconds. Put in crushed highlighter. Stir it well. Pour the mixture into a silicone rose mold. Refrigerate it. Coat half of a detachable heart mold with white acrylic paint. Hot glue artificial rose petals to the inside. Put it in the hardened highlighter and cover it with the other half of the heart. This magical flower will make my skin glow. Fairy's Rare Rose wins this round. The score is 0-2. What should I apply my rose makeup with? Here's the perfect flower. Cut out a chopstick. Hot glue one piece to a broken makeup brush. Attach another piece at an angle. Apply more hot glue to shape a rose stalk. Shape a bud on the metallic part of the brush. Add hot glue thorns. Cover the stalk with acrylic paint. What a cute, soft flower! Will you help me put on my highlighter? Flowers are fairies' best friends. What's swimming over there? Come here, fishy! Ooh, it's an underwater makeup brush. Paint a makeup brush handle white. Shape a fishtail with sparkly hot glue. Even out the shape with the heated tip of a glue gun. Cut fins out of clear iridescent plastic. Attach them to the handle of the brush. Define the outline and veins with glittering hot glue. Add notches on the handle with a modeling knife. Create a fish scale pattern. Decorate it with rhinestones. Color the tail with turquoise acrylic paint. It's a rare species of underwater creature. Ooh, it tickles! This fish brush is so soft. I'll set it free. Go home! Mermaid's fish brush brings her a point. The score is 1-2. What a wonderful day! It's a little hot, but it won't stop me from glowing. I'm getting hot too. I should go get some juice. Hey, wait a minute. Holy jellyfish, what's going on? I can't move. Is this the sea witch's fault again? Help! Who paused the video? Phew! Keep on watching. There you go. That's way better. So let's try out a product for tanning and glowing. Pour baby oil and water into different containers. Add body bronzer to the oil. Stir it well. Put pink pearl dust into the water. Add a few drops of your favorite perfume. Pour both mixtures into a spray bottle. The layer of oil goes to the top and the mixture becomes too colored. Attach a label. Shake before using. Apply the shimmer onto your skin. It starts shining and your tan will be even and golden. Phew! It's very sunny. I need to rest. Now that's better. I can fix my makeup after a magical lunch. Butterfly lipstick will be perfect. Pour melted remains of a shimmer lipstick into an empty tube. Let it harden. Paint the cap pink. Attach a butterfly of the same color to the top. Decorate the cap with a silver cameo. Coat it with clear nail polish. This lipstick is so light and magical. The color looks great on all fairies. Thank you, Butterfly. You were so helpful. And now you can fly back home. Mermaid is getting ready for a date. She just has to pick out a shade of lipstick. This one is too pale. And this one looks like seaweed. It's all wrong. But this one is great. Paint a tube of lipstick pink. Coat it with super glue. And sprinkle it with a mixture of sequins, beads, and tiny pebbles. Coat 2 small round seashells with golden acrylic paint. Fill one of them with hot glue and sprinkle it with a lot of glitter. Stick a pearl inside. Attach the other seashell. Hot glue the piece to the lipstick cap. This lipstick from the limited collection, Pearl, will define your lips in water and on land. Now I can go! Oops! I forgot to take off my tail. I'll evidently get there faster if I walk. Mermaid gets another point. The score is 2-2, and everyone's a winner. Did you like our magical makeup battle? Then let us know in the comments whose makeup you liked most, mermaids or fairies. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beauty ideas from Troom.